So let me just tell you the reality right now. As a content creator, the best thing that can happen to you is to have a USA based channel. And today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a USA based channel. The benefit of having a USA based channel, don't worry, as we are going right into it, I'll show you some differences in the earnings and you'll see how crazy this is, okay? But before we jump right in, I want to clarify something about USA based channel. Most people, when they hear USA based channel, they think it's something like you create a channel that is only based in the US, or you create a channel with an email created from the US. That's not how it works. Okay, when you say a USA based channel, that simply means a channel where most of your audience or your viewers are coming from the US. A channel that have 60% to 70% of the audience from the US is a USA based channel. That's simple how it works. You just have the maximum of your audience from the US. It's not a USA created email or nothing like that. All right. So before we jump into how I actually show you how to create a USA based channel, let me show you some differences in the earnings, something you have never seen before. Okay, make sure you watch till the end and you'll be shocked. Okay, so let me just show you right now. So if I go to my YouTube studio, as you can see right here, in the last 30 days, you can probably see that I've gotten over 93,000 views, right? And I've made around $222. Now most people, when they see this, they will say, okay, for over 100,000 views, I made over $200. That's basically 2 point something RPM, like revenue per mil. But basically, let me tell you that that's not right. I didn't get $2 RPM or even $3 RPM. Watch to the end and you'll be sure by what I'm going to show you. Okay. So what do I have to do is very simple. I'm going to go to the advanced mode. Okay, and right here I'm going to show you something, bro. Look at this very, very well. I come right here to content, okay, and I click on geography, and then I come to the metrics. I'll leave the views as it is, and remove this one, remove the average duration, and go straight to the revenue right here, and I click on estimated revenue, and I click on apply. Now what are you going to see right here? It's very simple. Don't forget, the last month I actually got over 93,000 views and I made $224. But now we are going to see the countries that made the most of the money. Okay, if you look at the United States, you see that I've made $124 from the United States. This is basically, if you remove this from the $224, this is basically like more than the half of it. It just remain $100 if we remove how much I only made like from the United States. This is crazy. And now this is what I want you to look at. In the 93,000 views that I actually get, I actually got 10,000 views from the United States. And those 10,000 views got me $124. This is basically like $12 per 1,000 views, $12 as RPM. This is crazy. And so this is the benefit of having views from the United States. Now imagine if all the 93,000 views were from the United States and I was having like $12 RPM. This is basically $1,000 instead of $200 if most of the views were coming from only the United States. Now if you go right here in Nigeria, you are going to see that I actually got 26,000, over 25,000, let's just say 25,000 views from Nigeria. And those 25,000 views actually made me $18. $18. This is more than 2 times the views I got from United States, but even though I still made $18, this is not even up to $1 RPM. Like if I was having $1 RPM, I would have been making like $26, but it's not even up to $1. If you look at, if I go straight down here, okay, and you look at India, you see I got like 8,000 views from India. Let's just say 10,000, and it made me $3. What are we talking about, bro? Tell me, what are we talking about? That's why I say, as a content creator, having most of your views from the United States is what's going to save you. If not, it's a complete waste of time. All right. So since you understand it already, let's jump and I'm going to show you from this moment how you can create a sort of a USA based channel. How can you get most of your views from the United States and start making a lot of money? And don't skip the video, because at the end I'm going to give you something that's going to be the game changing for you, because this is my first channel. I have plenty channels, United States based channel that get most of your views from the United States. I already showed you guys in other plenty other videos. I just don't want to come back on those videos again. That's why I'm just saying let's go straight to the point. Let's use this current channel and show you what I want to show you. All right. So we are going to go straight into it, and I'm going to show you the step by step what can you do to create a channel where most of your views are coming from the United States to make a lot of money. So the first thing is the Gmail. All right. Go to Gmail and create an email account. This is not something I'm going to show you. You already know how to create an email account. Or if you already have one yet that you are not using for a YouTube channel, just use it. Okay. And after you create it, the first thing you have to do is to go to YouTube, all right, and you are going to connect yourself to the new account you created, the email, or if you have another one, just go to it. This is what you're going to see. Or if you are not familiar with it, let's just go to the home, all right here, and this is what you're going to see. Okay, in the home page, and what you're going to do is to click on the profile right here and just click on switch account, and you are going to see the email you created right here, the list of all the emails you have. Just click on the one you just want to use, and that's your channel. All right, simple as that. Now once you are connected, just click on it and click on view my channel. And if you haven't posted any video, this is exactly what you're going to be seeing. So the next step is what we call branding. Okay, branding is, let's just say for me, it's just 2 or 3 steps: the profile pic, the name, the description. Most people will say also banner, but right now in 2026, most people are not, giving a fuck about banner anymore. You can just, use a banner or just forget about it. Okay, so what is important is the name. So right here for the branding, I'm not going to show you how to do a branding. I'm not going to choose a name for you. But the only thing I can actually advise you on right here is the profile pic. If you're going to create a channel or you're going to record yourself right now, as I'm doing right now, recording myself, I prefer you use your own image. Okay, take a photo of yourself, modify it, make it look good, and use it. Most importantly, if you are recording yourself like a personal brand, it is very very important, all right, in this era that we are in right now when it comes to YouTube demonetizing channel for inauthentic and all those things. I prefer using your own profile. All right, simple as that. Okay, so basically after you do that, the branding, you put your description, the profile, you just click right here to enter in the name. You just click on customize channel right here, you put your name and all that. I'm not going to show you this because everybody knows it. After doing that, you click on your profile once again, and the most important step is YouTube Studio. All right, and after you click on YouTube Studio, so this is where you actually learn, as you can see on the YouTube Studio. And the next thing, we are not going to waste time here. Okay, go straight to the settings right here. Click on a general. For the general, you choose the currency. We don't give about it for now. Click on the channel, and for the country, you got to choose your country. If bro, I prefer you just use United States because you want to create a US based channel. This actually isn't going to change anything, because I receive a lot of message or comments, people asking me if I actually choose United States, do I need to actually insert my United States document when trying to get monetized and all those things? Bro, it doesn't matter. Okay, choosing the country right here doesn't affect anything, but just choose the United States. Okay, so after choosing the United States, right here we have the keywords. Okay, you can see that I already have some keyword here because I wanted to use this channel for a football channel, but I will explain what you have to do right here. About the keyword, it's just the words, okay, that people actually use, or small phrases that they use when searching for your topics or videos in your niche. So what you have to do, if you don't know anything about it, go and try to find videos that are doing well in your niche from USA creators. Okay, what you have to do is to go to Google and search for YouTube tags extractor, okay, and paste those link in it, and they'll bring out the tags that those creators are using. You actually filter them, and you actually take like the 10 best and you paste it right here. That's it for how it works. Okay, go to the advanced settings, and right here you have to click on no, set this channel as not made for kids. Okay, after doing that, go straight down here. When it comes to here, let YouTube actually enhance visuals quality. Click on it, click on this one, allow viewers to clip my content. You can turn it on if you want, but if you don't want, that's it. The most important thing right here is the feature eligibility. Okay, once you create your account, you have this enabled automatically, but this one you need to actually do some few things, which is basically verify, your number. So this is not a USA number. All right, this is not a USA number. Use your own number in your phone from your country. Just type it in. They will send a code, and you just type the code. It's just to verify that you are not a robot. Because I receive a lot of comment, people saying, "Bro, I don't have a USA. It's not about USA number." All right. Okay. So after doing that, you come right here. This one, if you are from some countries, they will say that you should take like a video of yourself, okay, and they'll verify you are just a human, and they'll verify it for you. But if you are from other countries that are not eligible for that version, they'll just say be creating content, okay, interacting with other creators, and they will enable it themselves for you like 2 weeks or 1 month later after you start creating content. So basically that is it. After you do that, come right to upload default. Right here, what I suggest you do is very simple. For the visibility, choose unlisted and don't put anything right here. Just the visibility, choose unlisted, come to advanced settings, and right here, category, you have to choose the kind of video, the category, the niche you are entering in. If it's a business or anything like that, education, comedy, just read it and choose something that makes money. All right. But even though you choose like music here and start creating videos about sports, the views or even the money that you are going to make is based on the RPM that YouTube actually pay for sport content. So you are not going to choose something here and post something thinking that you have chosen a category that pays higher, but your videos are about other things, they will pay you higher money. It doesn't work like that. Choose your category, and when it comes to the language, come right here, select United States, okay, English. And all you have to do is just to click on English United States. Okay, for the title and description language, also English United States, you do that. For the moderation, the comment and all those things, you have to, from here you can take your own decision. Okay, and come right to community moderation, very very important. Okay, you come right here, and if you have any words that you want to block when people commenting your channel, like hate words or anything like that, drop them right here, so that when people comment anything and there are those words in their comment, YouTube will block those comments from your comment section. Is very very important. After doing all those things, just click on save, and voila, you just have your USA based channel created. But wait, like I told you at the beginning, there's something that I want to share with you that's going to be the game changing. Okay, creating any YouTube channel like USA based channel, African based channel is a same process, but it's what you do after. And that's exactly what I'm going to share with you right now. So it's just three advices I'm going to give you about three different things. Okay. The main things that help you to create or have most of your views from the US is very, very simple. Okay. The first thing, never watch your own video. Most people, when they post their first video, they try to watch some few minutes and comment or respond to other comments. YouTube Studio is already there for you to respond to comments. Stop watching your video. It's very very important, because wait, imagine you create your channel right now saying you want to create a USA based channel. You created your video, okay, you've done everything, you posted the video, and the first person to watch it is you. Where are you watching from? Imagine you are from watching from Nigeria or maybe from India. That simple means that you are the first person watching from it, and when YouTube want to recommend your video, YouTube will recommend your video to those kind of audience first, that same geographic first. So you are going to get views from Nigeria, from India, and that's how it works. So first of all, don't watch your own videos. And the 3 points I'm going to list right now follow themselves. You have to do all of them together. It's not doing two and leaving one. You have to do all of them together. So the second thing is very, very important. You need to post videos. Listen, you need to post videos, okay, that creators from the US are posting in your niche. If you are in any niche, that simple means that there are creators from the US also creating videos about that niche or are also in that niche. So if you want to start and target the US audience, you need to start creating videos that those same creators from the US are creating. Don't start creating videos that people from Nigeria are creating, or from India are creating, or from Brazil are creating. Only video the same topic and every single thing that the US creators are creating. That's why I say the 3 points follow themselves. You have to follow all of them. All right. Now, the last one, the most important one, the one that a lot of people actually discuss about, which is basically the timing. What time should you post? It's very, very important. Yeah, because right now, the country I'm in right now, okay, I've seen it several times, okay, around 1 a.m. or 12 a.m., like midnight, and there is some creators from the US still posting at that time. But first, I was shocked. But when I actually check like the differences in the time, yeah, I've seen that okay, one is actually 1 a.m. here, is basically like 7 p.m. or 6 p.m. in the US. So basically, that's the time people post. So that's it. Means the first thing you have to do is to check the time differences in your country with the US. Then you know, okay, what are the times most of the creators from the US in my niche post their content. Then you focus on those times and start posting on the same times. Okay, even if it's 2 a.m. in the country that you are in right now, just know that that 2 a.m. is one of the best time for some creators from the US to post. Just that when it's 2 a.m. here, it's not 2 a.m. over there. You need to be aware of that. Someone needs to tell you that. If not, you will not know. Okay. So basically, those are the 3 points I wanted us to discuss about. It's very, very important if you want to get most of your views from the US, bro. Let me just tell you the truth. Get most of your views from the US. Get most of your views from the US. I know what I'm talking about. Imagine that month where I've gotten, let's just say, almost 100,000 views and made like 200 something dollars. Imagine if all of those 100,000 views were from the US. That's basically over $1,200. Like another $1,000 plus the $200 that I've already made. It's crazy. And I'll see you in my next video. If you like this kind of video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like the video. If you want me to, if you want to ask any personal question, my email is right there in the about section of my channel. Even my telegram, you can text me. If you want me to help you in any way, just let me know. We'll do that together. And I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care. It was Josh. Peace out.